Unit 4 Assessment, CP class. Number 1. For every team competing in a robotics competition, there are 4 students. How many students are on 3 teams? Mark only one oval. A1, B3, C7, D12. Number 2. Kelsey can make 3 loaves of bread with 7 cups of flour. How many loaves of bread can she make with 21 cups of flour? Mark only one oval. A7, B9, C63, D 147. Number 3. Juan paid $2.50 for 12 ounces of peanuts. What is the unit rate? Mark only one oval. A. 21 cents for 1 ounce. B. $2.52 for 12 ounces. C. $4.76 for 1 ounce. Or D. $4.76 for 1 ounce. Number 4. If 5 bags of oranges weigh 35 pounds, how many pounds do 2 bags of oranges weigh? A. 7 pounds, B. 10 pounds, C. 14 pounds, or D. 70 pounds. Number 5. The graph shows the amount of money Timothy earns from his tutoring job. How much does Timothy earn for 7 hours of tutoring? This would be number 7 on your test. A. $32, B. $24, C. $16, or D. $8. Number 8. In Natalia's class there are 10 boys and 14 girls. Which ratio is equivalent to 10 over 14? Is it A. 10 over 21, B. 5 over 7, C. 5 over 6, or D. 17 over 14? The table shows the basketball standings for teams in an intramural league. You have the basketball standings, you have the Bears, the Stars, the Wildcats, and the Knights. You have the wins column and the losses column. Number 9. Which basketball teams have equivalent ratios of wins to losses? A. Stars and Knights, B. Wildcats and Stars, C. Knights and Wildcats, D. Bears and Stars. Number 10, or number 8. At Fabric World, ribbon is sold at the rate of $2 for 1 yard. What rate gives the cost for 8 yards of fabric? A. $2 for 1 yard, B. $8 for 4 yards, C. $10 for 1 yard, and D. $16 for 8 yards. Next question, number 9. Antonio burns 75 calories for every 15 minutes he rides his bicycle. At that rate, how many calories will Antonio burn if he rides his bicycle for 60 minutes? A. 4 calories, B. 150 calories, C. 225 calories, or D. 300 calories. Number 10. Dora used the grocery store ads to list apple prices at 4 stores. Gordon's 4 pounds for $3.32. Greenwise 2 pounds for $1.62. PJ's 3 pounds for $2.37. and Tosco 5 pounds for $4.50. Which store charges the lowest amount per pound? Mark only one oval. Is it A. Gordon's, B. Greenwise, C. PJ's, or D. Tosco's? Number 11. The graph shows the distance of a helicopter travels over time. Number 13. At this rate, how far does the helicopter travel in 7 hours? Is it A. 1,080 miles, B. 945 miles, C. 143 miles, or D. 135 miles? Number 14 /12. Ashley has 4 pairs of low-top sneakers, 7 pairs of high-top sneakers, 3 pairs of sandals, and 1 pair of boots. What is the ratio of the pairs of the low-top sneakers to total number of pairs of shoes? I'll read that again. Ashley has 4 pairs of low-top sneakers, 7 pairs of high-top sneakers, 3 pairs of sandals, and 1 pair of boots. What is the ratio of the pairs of low-top sneakers to the total number of pairs of shoes? Is it A. 4 to 15, B. 7 to 15, C. 4 to 3, or D. 1 to 3? Last question. Nope, sorry, not last question. Tricked ya. Number 13. Dwayne hikes 60 miles in 3 days. At that rate, how many days does it take him to hike a total of 240 miles? A. 12, B. 14, C. 15, or D. 19? Number 14. Last summer, 24 boys and 21 girls attended band camp. Write the ratio of boys to girls 3 ways. B. If the ratio stays the same for this summer, how many boys will attend the camp if there were 63 girls? Prove your answer by showing your work. Number 15. Melissa earned $16 for walking dogs for 2 hours. Write the unit rate. For B, complete the table of the equivalent ratios of the amount earned and the number of hours. For C, use the equivalent ratios to graph the amount earned over the time. Graph time on the x-axis and earnings on the y-axis. And D, how much would she earn if she walked dogs for 7 hours? This concludes the test.